Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video lesson, I am going to reveal the little secret of printf you don't know probably. Note that the return type of printf is not void. It returns total number of characters printed or negative value if an output error or an encoding error occurs. To understand this concept practically, let's jump into Turbo-C IDE. Double click on Turbo-C IDE icon on the desktop to start Turbo-C IDE. Select New from the file menu to create new source file. Let's begin. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, opening brace, closing brace, int noc, number of characters, noc equal to printf in bracket Spiderman. Okay, printf \n number of characters in the string equal to %d comma noc, get ch, clrscr. Okay, so our program is finished. Let's save it by pressing F2 key. I am going to name it printf1.c. Compile the program to make sure that there are no syntax error in the program. So Alt plus F9. Program is absolutely okay. There is no problem. Let's run it by pressing Ctrl plus F9. We can see the output of the program on the screen. Printf is printing what we have written in double quotation mark inside printf, and then it returns the number of characters in string. In our case, the string is Spiderman exclamatory mark. The name Spiderman contains 9 characters plus exclamatory mark, so the program is printing the value of noc equal to 10 and outputting number of characters in string equal to 10. So that's all for today's video lesson. Please subscribe to get notification about all interesting upcoming video lessons. Thanks for watching.